Hey everyone, I'm Lucas Kwiatkowski, founder of Nomads, and I'm bringing you guys hands-on advanced Amazon PPC videos as often as I can, showing you guys what's working with me and my team, how we're thinking of new ideas, and giving you real live data. Now, today I'm going to be talking about Google. So I think a lot of us on Amazon forget that most customers start on Google, right? If we're used to shopping on Amazon, we pull up the app and we type in keywords. A lot of other people, older people especially, right? They always go to Google right away and type stuff in. So let's just say I'm someone shopping for printer paper, right? I type in printer paper, and this is the Amazon kind of layout that shows up for Amazon. So we have the search results here. If I pull this up, it brings me to a normal search results, okay? So I have this, and that's fine. But on this layout in Google, basically, and what I want to take a step back here, all I want you to do after watching this video is type in your best keyword in Google and see what shows up. See the first listing for Amazon that shows up, and it's going to give you some ideas, because I'm going to show you 3 different layouts here for Google and show you what Amazon is doing on Google, and you can kind of, influence this a little bit and maybe find some new things to bid on with PPC. So this one is emphasizing Amazon Basics, obviously, right? If they have Amazon Basics, they're going to show it first. But all I'm saying is, say you're selling printer paper and you aren't aware of Amazon Basics, this is essentially the first result in Google. They're getting so much free traffic where they're bypassing Amazon search results, and people are ending up on this page right from Google. So many people are like, Amazon search results is the only way people find stuff. No, all of a sudden we're on this page, we're just going to add this to cart right away. We're not going to look at any other listings unless we see some of these ads. Okay, so that's what I'm getting at. If you type into Google and see one of your massive competitors, make sure you're bidding like crazy on them with sponsored display and sponsored product ASIN targeting, because they're the ones getting all the free traffic from Google. I want to show you just a different example here. I'm hoping this gets some wheels spinning for you guys. So I type in office chairs. I can obviously tell them I'm looking at new office supplies here for my home office. So if I go to office chair in Amazon, again, normal search results, that's fine. So maybe type this in, make sure that this is the keyword you're looking at. But this one has 3 other links to it, right? So let me just clean this up a bit. This one has this link that goes to the same search result, but look at this keyword they're using, home office desk chairs. Maybe that's a super high volume Google term that they're trying to be indexed for. And then this is even bigger, this listing. So maybe in your ASIN search, this listing got lost in the mix, right? But you sell office chairs and you forgot about these guys. These guys are getting so much traffic from Google. You want to make sure you're bidding on them. Let's take a look at this one too. This one, same thing. 4 stars. Maybe you didn't go after them that aggressively, but they are ranked in Google, okay? People aren't getting there from Amazon, they're getting there from Google, so don't forget about them. I want to do one more thing here just to show you that every Amazon listing from Google is different. So if I see here, as I shop coffee on Amazon, I see Pete's Coffee. Let me just see this. But the very first one is Black Rifle and Oakland. Okay, these should all be Pete's Coffee, huge brand, but not a big listing, right? I know they probably have listings that have more reviews. If you're not bidding on this one, go after it. These guys, very interesting, right? So if you came to them from Amazon, you'd be like, well, I'm not really threatened by them. They have one image, right? I mean, they can't be doing that well, but they are ranked first in Google. I type this in, they show up first. So I don't care how good their Amazon listing is. If they're on this top spot, you need to be bidding on them because, again, they're getting so much free traffic. And then this one didn't bring me to Amazon, it brought me to some other link. But all I'm saying is take a step back if you're selling, type in some of your keywords, see what customers are looking at, and hopefully you'll find some new competitors, some new keywords, maybe even some new keywords to bid on in yourself that are ranking well in Google, and to build your PPC on Amazon even more.